Good morning, children. Hope you all are good and safe. Children, today I will explain you few activities related to the photosynthesis process, which is already given in your book. So this is part 4 activity. So one picture you can see, I am showing you the process through which we can easily understand that how to check the starch that is present inside the leaf, which is a food only that is obtained from photosynthesis process. As you all know, glucose is produced, which is an excess glucose stored in the form of starch only in the different parts of the plant. Now before that, one activity is given, activity 1 in your book, page number 52. So in this, what is the aim? What we have to do? We have to observe the stomata, which is a site of exchange of gases, carbon dioxide and oxygen, on the surface of the cell, under surface of the leaf. So under surface means below, lower portion of the leaf. Now what is the procedure? So we have to take a clean slide, we have to take put some water in the middle part of the slide, and we have to take the freshy green leaves or new green leaves. We have to peel the epidermis layer of the from the lower side. You should peel the layer of the leaf, and then you have to place that leaf part or that peeled part over the slide. Okay, then on with the cover slip you have to cover it and observe under microscope. So when we will see under the compound microscope, so we will see this kind of structure, kidney bean shape. So guards with guard cells also we will be able to see the pore opening one, whether it is closed or open. Okay, so with the help of microscope we can see the stomata, and we will see that a large number of stomata are present in which part, lower part or upper part. So you can peel both the side, you can check both the side. Now next activity is given, that is activity number 2, page number 54. In this, the aim is to demonstrate that starch is formed during photosynthesis. So now only I have explained you that in my last video that or I have told you that starch is a stored food. Okay, present in the different part of that plants is stored in different part of the plant. So how we will test? So there are few steps, very easy steps. First one is, you can see here, first picture, we have taken one beaker, one tripod stand, okay, and burner. Okay, now what we will do, we will take some water and we will boil it, and we will, so first step, we are treating the leaf in the boiling water for 60 seconds. Okay, so you can see for 60 seconds we have to dip the leaf in the boiling water. So what is the effect of this boiling water? So when we will boil the leaf in boil the leaf, then what will happen? It will kill the cells. Okay, the cells are there na, all the living cells and all the cells, it is killed by the boiling water. And it also destroys all the enzymes, all the proteins, all the enzymes. It will destroy all the enzyme. So what will happen? No further chemical reaction, no any chloroplast is present, other organelles are also present, so chemical reaction will stop. So boiling, it kills the germ, it kills all the enzymes, so that chemical reaction will not take place inside the leaf. Okay, and the most important point is, now these cells will become more permeable so that it will absorb iodine solution. So this is a first step. Second step is, you can see we are just boiling leaf into the ethanol, which is an alcohol. Okay, so here first picture you can see directly we have poured this leaf into the beaker, but here we are using test tube. This is a test tube. Okay, we are not boiling directly. We are using test tube. Inside the test tube, ethanol is there, alcohol is there, and we have placed it in the beaker filled with water. So why we are not heating it directly? So because alcohol, so that it will not catch fire. Okay. Now, so what is the effect of alcohol on the leaf? So what will happen when we will boil it in the alcohol? It will remove all the chlorophyll, all the green part of that contain the chlorophyll. Here you can see full leaf is green in color. So all the alcohol, what it will do, it will decolorize the leaf. Okay, it will remove all the green color from the leaf. Then next step is leaf being washed. So why we, after this second step, after this alcohol step, ethanol step, why we are again washing leaf with hot water? Because when we will treat the leaf with ethanol or alcohol, it will become hard, slightly hard. Okay, so what we should do, we should again, to make it soft, we have because we need a soft leaf, so and it will give the good result. So what we are doing, again we are washing it with water. Okay, now the last step, this is a chemical, you can see this is a iodine solution. So for demonstrating the starch during the photosynthesis, we need iodine solution. Iodine solution is having one property, that wherever in any food item or in this leaf also, if starch is present, okay, and if we will put 1 or 2 drops of iodine solution, it will turn into blue black. So you can see starch test with iodine after this leaf. When we will put 1 or 2 drops of iodine solution, it will turn into blue black. Okay, if starch is present, it will turn into blue black. So remember these steps. These are very important steps. Okay, first boiling in water to kill the germs, to kill the enzymes, and to make the leaf permeable, so that it will allow the iodine solution to enter inside the leaf or absorb. Okay, then with ethanol, so that what will happen, it will decolorize the cells, it will remove all the chlorophyll, and it will make green color leaf into brownish or pale white. Okay, next one is we are washing to soften it, to soft the leaf. Okay, so soften it. Then next one is we are adding few drops of iodine solution, so that the leaf will become blue black, and if blue black color will come, then leaf is giving positive starch test. Okay, so these are the 4 steps. So now I am showing you the activity 2. So here it is already given in your book, children. So here you can see we need few materials. All right, so we need potted plants, a beaker, test tube, burner, water, dropper, alcohol, iodine solution, which is very important, and a glass plate. So here you can see, take 2 potted plants and label them A and B and put them in darkening. Okay, plant we have to for 48 hours or for 3 days and all, we have to keep or 24 to 48 hours, we have to keep the plant in the dark place. So what will happen during this period, when we will keep it in a dark place, whole starch from the leaves will be used up by the plants, and they will take up all the starch for their growth, for their development. Okay, whatever is their metabolic activities, respiration and all, and so no starch is left behind. So this process is called de-starching. Okay, so before doing that photosynthesis process or starch test, what we should do, we should de-starch. De-starch means we should remove the starch by keeping the plant for 48 hours in a dark place or dark room. Okay, so then after that we have to pluck one leaf from that plant, that de-starch plant. Okay, that plant only, from which we have kept for 24 to 48 hours. Okay, now so when we will pluck one leaf, and then we will do this all the steps that I have already explained you. That leaf we will first boil with water to kill the germs and all, then ethanol, like as I explained you, then with then with hot water again, and then we will do the starch test. So it is also mentioned here, so I am just reading for you. So pluck one leaf from plant A, both the plants from A also B also we have to pluck you. So you can see here are two setup. Okay, now boil 2 leaves for 2 to 3 minutes. Here 2 to 3 minutes you can do. Okay, as I said you 60 seconds you should keep. Now pour ethyl alcohol. Here they are using ethyl alcohol. Remember, ethyl alcohol and ethanol both are same. Okay, into the test tube till the leaves are dipped in it. Place the test tube in a beaker containing water. Heat the water of beaker with till alcohol in the test tube begins to boil. Okay, till boiling we have to wait. Now it is written in the bracket, chlorophyll is destroyed. Chlorophyll is destroyed means that process only, decolorization. Decolorization of chlorophyll means all the green part will come in the water and our leaf will become pale white or non-green. Okay, so then we have to take out the leaves and wash it with warm water to remove alcohol also and to make leaf soft also, as I said. Okay, so you can write that point also, to make a leaf soft and to remove alcohol. All right, and then put few drops of iodine solution, the last step the boy is doing. Okay children, so this is very interesting one. Now leaf B turns blue black but leaf A does not. So here we have the two condition. So as you can see here also, leaf B turn blue black and leaf A we can see white portion, very very light. Okay, so this is like this, we can easily say that leaf A do not have starch but leaf B have starch. All right, so photosynthesis occurred in B plant because it was kept in sunlight, but not in A plant because it is kept in dark. So here what will happen, they have kept A plant in the dark, as you can see in the third line, only A plant in the dark and B plant in the sunlight. So the de-starch process is going on with the A plant. Okay, now understood this thing, steps are the same 4. Now next activity is to show that oxygen, as you know oxygen is the byproduct that what happened, oxygen is a byproduct that evolved or released during photosynthesis process, we all know. Okay, reaction, remember, CO2 plus H2O gives C6H12O6 plus O2. Now so here also for this experiment also we need few materials, that is beaker, funnel, test tube, hydrola plant and water. So what is the procedure? So we will take the beaker, funnel you can see we are using for pouring kerosene oil and all, this funnel, and this is a test tube. Okay, so 3 apparatus, and we need hydrola plant. Hydrola is a submerged aquatic plant. Okay, so what will happen, it will release the oxygen gas. Okay, when it respires the whole body will release the oxygen gas, high amount of oxygen gas. So underwater we can easily find out the bubbles of the oxygen gas. So that's why we are taking this hydrola plant for this experiment. So the same thing, procedure is same, easy, that we have to take a beaker filled with water, fix the stem of hydrola into the hole of the funnel. As you can see, we have to place this hydrola plant into the funnel. Okay, and then invert it and then fill a test tube with water and then again invert it. Okay, and keep this setup as it is for 4 hours. All right, so what you will observe, we will after 4 hours or after 3 hours and 4 to 5 hours, what we will see, the bubbles are coming out. So we can easily see that bubbles will come out, and what is the conclusion, what is the result? So the gas is produced as a result of photosynthesis. So we can see that when light is falling on this plant, okay, what will happen? Photolysis of water is going on, water is there, okay, and it will release O2 gas. So water is there, chlorophyll pigment is there, all right, and we can add a pinch of sodium bicarbonate also, which is a chemical, into the water, so that it will release the CO2 gas. So like that, all the 4 conditions we have to provide it, and then we can see the O2 gas. Okay, so this is the activity number 3. Next, rest of the activity we will do in the next class. So thank you and have a nice day. God bless you all, children.